Hello guys. So this is the third part of my Lua series on Roblox. In this video we will learn about functions and what is it called? Functions and loops. Yeah, functions and loops. So this time we're actually gonna put our scripts inside of server script service instead of in workspace. This is kind of just to, get you used to organizing your scripts and stuff. Um, so basically, let's start by adding a script in server script service. So this is our script. We just delete this. Alright, so now what we can do, hold on, let me make sure my audio is working. Alright, now what we can do, so let's start by making a new function. Functions, you can create a function, kind of like a variable. So start by typing function, and now what you can do is you can basically name it. So example function, and then you have to put these parentheses and make a new line. It will automatically create an end, and you'll see there's an arrow. So functions are actually very useful for storing big blocks of code, and they are really, 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 really good. So let's start by printing. Actually, we can make variables in here. So local. Oh, hold on. All right, so we can do local hot dogs. I guess hot dogs. Local hot dogs equals 5. I have 5 hot dogs. Local burgers. Let's make some variables. So I have 10 burgers and 5 hot dogs. So then what we can do is we can do hot dogs plus burgers. So now what we can do, so you see how we have hot dogs and burgers, right? If we run this script here, you'll see we get, hold on, we should get 15 here. Nah, it's fine. But yeah, that's just kind of an example here, even though it doesn't work. But yeah. So let's delete everything here, and let's start by making a loop. So my way of making loops, this is a way to make a loop forever, basically, like a forever loop, basically. So what you do is you do while true do. This will create another line, and let me just create another line, and it also gives you another end here. So in while true do, basically everything you write in here will loop. Every single piece of code in there will loop. So let's say get this, actually make a new part here, right? Make a new part. Call this example. So now what we can do is we can do game.workspace.example. We can do .material equals fabric, or we can do game.workspace.example.material equals plastic. Also, I would suggest putting wait 3 seconds. So now, if we wait a bit. Oh, I'm so stupid. I forgot. We have to declare our function. And the way we declare our function is we make a new line outside of the function, remember, and we just do example function. So here, loop started, changed to plastic. Okay? So then we can run this. See? So it is basically fabric. And then, yeah. This is basically it. It should have changed to plastic. But, yeah. See material. Yeah, plastic. But that's basically the properties. I mean, more properties. Loops and functions. That's basically them in a nutshell. Basically what they do, you know, how you use them and stuff. And that's about it for this tutorial. It's a pretty short tutorial, but that's basically all functions and loops are. They're pretty simple. There are, I'm pretty sure there are other types of loops, but I don't know how to do those loops. I only know how to do while loops. So yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, see ya.